Hey, 5th grade! Here is our video on the 12-bar blues, which we are going to be learning a little bit about over the next few weeks. Now, the 12-bar blues is named that because it uses 12 bars in each pattern, and a bar is another word for measure. So if you don't remember what measure is, it's those little boxes that we use in our sheet music to help segment up our music so we can approach it a little bit easier and have some kind of system to find different spots in it. So 12-bar blues almost always has 3 different chords in it. And no matter what scale you were in, that would be your 1 chord, your 4 chord, and your 5 chord. So what I'm going to do is in a second, I'm going to flip down to my keyboard, and we're going to go through each of those chords in the key of C, and I'm going to spell out how you build each chord, and then we'll go through the whole pattern with the 12-bar blues. So I'm going to flip us down the keyboard. I'm going to go down here, and in the key of C, we are going to go through our 3 different chords. So first chord would be our C chord. So we'd find the name of the chord, C, and then we skip the next note up, go to the E, skip the next note up, go to the G, and that's how we build our C chord. And you can play it one at a time or all together, depending on what kind of instrument you're playing. And then we go up to our F, or you could go down to the F down here, but I usually like to go up. So here's our F chord, and here's the name of the chord, the F. Then we skip the G, go to the A, skip the B, go to the C, and there's your F chord. And then the third chord in this pattern would be our G, and that's our 5 chord up here. So you find the name of the chord, here's the G, skip the A, go to the B, skip the C, go to the D. So the way we're going to play this version of the 12-bar blues is we're going to do 4 counts on the C. So that's our first measure. Our next measure would go up to our 4 chord on the F, and then back down for our third measure on the C. So let's try that. So I'm going to count us in. Remember, each measure is comprised of 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to the F. 2, 3, 4. Back down to the C. 2, 3, 4. We're going to add one more count on that C. So those are our first 4 bars of the 12-bar blues. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Now for our 5th measure, we're going to jump up to our 4 chord again. And we're going to do 2 measures on that. So we just did 4, here's our 5th measure. 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4. And for 7 and 8, we're going to go back down to C. 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4. Now for our 9th bar, we're going to jump up to our 5 chord. We haven't played that yet. It's up on the G. So here's 9, 9, 2, 3, 4, and 10, again on the G chord. And then for 11 and 12, we go back to C. 11, 3, 4, 12, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go ahead and play that whole pattern just with block chords like I've been doing. I'm going to go all the way through it. So here it is, starting on C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 11, 2, 3, 4, and 12, 2, 3, 4. And that's the 12-bar blues.